What's up, everybody? D. Arthur Turner the Fourth. You can call me Art for short. Data Productions Media, where we scheme our dreams and we swindle the system. So I got a comment today saying that I should really do stock market decodes from my GameStop video I did about a month ago. And at the time when I invested in GameStop, which was late October, early November, it was around $9. I didn't know about the Gematria codes with my last name Turner at the time. We match in 3 out of the 4 base ciphers. But when I started to realize the stock was going to hit the mainstream because of the squeeze potential, I started to realize, okay, maybe this is a psyop, with Elon Musk saying game stunk. And it turned out to be, true with a lot of Gematria decodes with Michael Burry, DFE, deep effing value. So yeah, if you haven't seen that video, make sure after you watch this one in full, go check that one out. This is my first time doing this, but hey, I'm gonna see how it goes. I am in another stock that my buddy told me about, and I looked up the Gematria numbers because there's some big players supposedly involved in this stock, like Tom Brady, and they said they have other goats involved. So I looked into the Gematria, and there's some interesting things. So without further ado, this is going to be my first Gematria stock pick. Don't expect this often. Again, I'm an active investor in the market, so if I do come across a stock that I really like and that I'm going to invest in, like I'm already invested in the stock we're going to talk about, it has Gematria, I will let you guys know. But my lane is the documentaries with Gematria, sports, and other different storylines and stuff like that. But when I come across a stock that has good Gematria decodes that goes along with my channel and can help people make money, hopefully, I'm going to do that. So without further ado, let's get into this stock. So it's Labor Smart Incorporated, Labor Smart Inc. It's a penny stock. It's on the OTC market right now. So I have TD Ameritrade. If you have Fidelity, TD Ameritrade, you can get OTCs. If you have Webull or Robinhood, they don't have OTCs. And let me get this out the way right now. I am not a financial advisor. You're responsible for any decisions you make. This is an educational and entertainment video, and we're just going to be sharing opinions and dialogue. Any decisions you make in the stock market are your responsibility and your responsibility only. Don't blame it on me. Don't blame it on Data Productions. This is just some dialogue, all right? So I'm not a financial advisor, but we're going to go over some Gematria decodes and what I feel. But again, I am invested. So right now it is at 2 cents, 2.4 cents. It was a down day, which is great for this video because there should be some news coming out about this company soon, like we're going to get into when we do a little bit of research. But again, you have to do your own research. So we're only going to scrape the surface today on what you guys need to do with Gematria and some of the things on social media. So Labor Smart Inc., penny stock. They were a temp agency under the CEO Ryan Shadle. They had business. They had contracts with the Chiefs, the Royals, temp agency, a couple of locations around the nation, and they were growing. But they got acquired by a company called Takeover Industries. The CEO is Joe Pavlik, and they are transitioning into hydrogen water. And so it could be interesting. People are saying this could be the next monster. This could be the next vitamin water. And so there's still a lot of things I need to play out involved. Again, this is a penny stock. This does come with some risk. But with all the research I've done so far, this does have an opportunity to do something. And when we get into the Gematria decodes, it points towards, if not Tom Brady, at least the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. So if the hydrogen water does come out, they said it's going to be shipped by Easter. We don't have the name yet because of non-disclosure agreement issues. But they said by Easter they should be shipping it out to stores and everything like that. So we'll see if they keep that promise. But let's get into the Gematria today and just look at it. Again, you have to do your own research, but we'll go into it more. But I just want to let you know some of the players first. Again, if you didn't know, Turner and GameStop are have 3 of the 4 same numbers in Gematria. So let's start. So Labor Smart is 55 in reduction, the purest reduction cipher. Again, Tom Brady has been rumored he's going to be a part of this Super Bowl 55. If you follow Zachary K. Hubbard, I'm pretty sure 55 was a big number on his channel for the Super Bowl. Gematria Effect Sports, Gematria Effect News. And so the ticker name LTNC, Labor Smart, is LTNC. So I put in the Gematria calculator LTNC stock. LTNC stock equals 126 in reverse ordinal. Thomas Brady, Tom Brady's full name Thomas Brady equals 126 in English ordinal. And so we're talking about hydro water, hydrogen water. So hydro water equals 137 in English ordinal. Tampa Bay equals 137 in reverse ordinal. And then when we get into a video that the CEO Joe Pavlik did at the facility that they're canning the hydro water at, he has the Tampa Bay mask on, and they're in Atlanta. So they've been throwing out hints and stuff like that that I've been picking up on through this process. Yeah. So hydrogen water equals 62 in reverse reduction. All right. Hydrogen water equals 62 in reverse reduction, and Takeover Joe equals 62 in reverse reduction as well. That's the CEO Joe Pavlik's Twitter handle, so we're going to see that as well. Tampa Bay Buccaneers equals 62 in reduction as well, so 62, 62. Takeover Joe 62, and then we have Labor Smart Incorporated, which it just was or still is kind of 139. Takeover Industries, LTNC equals 139 as well in the reverse reduction cipher. We have Joe Pavlik equals 52 in reverse reduction. Hydro Water equals 52 in reverse reduction. Tom Brady equals 46. Takeover Joe equals 46 in reduction. Tom Brady equals 46 in reverse reduction. Takeover, so it's 34 in reduction. GOAT is 43. You have to think about the reverse. Also, 137 is the 33rd prime. So, I guess you could say masonry number right there. So those are some of the numbers that popped up. Again, I'm not making investments solely off of Gematria, but if I do see, strong Gematria patterns like I saw afterwards in GameStop, and if I saw it again in another stock, I would use it to my advantage. And I came across this stock, like I said, it has some really good codes, and it's probably going to be in the mainstream news soon if they do have goats involved. So let's just get into more of the DD on my Twitter on some of the major players, and then we'll wrap this video up. And so right now, my price target is, again, I'm a swing trader, long-term investor. So I plan on having these shares I have. I have 45,555 shares right now, over a grand. And I plan to have these for a while. My price target, I guess, within 3 to 6 months, around 25 cents, if not more, and hopefully late 2021, 2022, we can maybe get to $1 range. That's what people have been saying, and stuff. So let's just get in a little bit of the DD. Again, do your own research. This is just an idea for my community with Gematria, and it's something I'm invested in. So why not? And if it hits, that's great for the community. I'm gonna drop my donation things below, Venmo, PayPal, just in case if it does hit, you make a lot of money off this video. At least give you the idea. Throw a little back to data production so we can keep growing. All right. So let's get into some of this. He is the current CEO. You see LTNC, Labor Smart CEO. And again, we saw the numbers for the Buccaneers. Now we have to go back to his video where he did at the facility in Atlanta. And again, he was in Atlanta with did he take it down? Let's see. Ah, he took it down. Let me see. Let's see. Let's see. Dang. Okay, so he took it down. So there was this video of him at the facility. Let me see. Oh no, was it all? Was it? It was always on Ryan's. Let me see. Yes, yes. Okay, there it goes. Cool. All right.
Live. My name is Ryan Chadle. I'm here with Joe Pavlik, President and CEO of Labor Smart LTNC. You may be familiar with his name from the reset with his.
It gets too small. It gets too low. You can't hear him, so you have to do it. Yeah.
Water. It's going to be okay. All right. Let's give it another go.
Watch. Look at that.
Even if you don't have an afro, like
you see that? Look at that Tampa Bay Bucks mask. Look at that Tampa Bay Bucks mask. Now let's hear him out a little bit. See what he has to say.
You still have to wear a hairnet, so that's just part of the process when you're in a lab. But essentially, we just finished the inspection of the facility. It's going to be creating this ultimate water for you guys, and it's made through natural spring water infused with hydrogen. And I can tell you, tastes amazing. You can feel the effects within minutes, and we're very excited. So I hope you enjoyed this update. Can't disclose any more information than that due to the non-disclosure agreements and the secrecy agreements, but keep in mind that what we are doing is truly going to change the game, so we greatly appreciate it. Yeah, so I do just want to reiterate, this is an FDA registered. That's correct. An FDA inspected facility. Yes, this is food grade. This is where all the magic happens. So you guys are going to have the best water on the planet. I've already had about 5 or 6 cans today, and I'm feeling good. So quite amazing. So you guys take care. And any other questions, Ryan? No, I don't have any questions right now. We're out where we're located. There's no signal here, so we're on the Wi-Fi, and obviously we're very limited on what we're allowed to record, and limited on what we can wear. We'll probably check in with you guys once we get back on the road and into an area with some decent.
All right. Yeah. Okay. So Ryan Shadell was filming Joe Pavlik. So the old CEO of Labor Smart was filming the new CEO of Labor Smart Takeover Industries, Joe Pavlik, with the inspection of the facility where they're going to be canning their hydrogen water at. There's already a company in Atlanta, supposedly, that already does hydrogen water. So maybe that's a connection. They're at the same facility. But yeah, Ryan Shadell was the old owner, Labor Smart. Let's go back to Takeover Joe's page. He's been replying a lot, updates. There's just one. He said there was going to be an update this week if non-disclosure was going to allow it. So let me see if I can find that. And another big player is Stan the Trading Man. He has like over 40 million shares in LTNC. And he's been hyping the stock up a lot. There's been a lot of transparency. So, if this is a scam, this would be like the greatest scam in history. So, again, it's the risk I'm taking. Again, I'm not your financial advisor, but this could possibly hit $1. And if this is anything like what my research says it is, if this is going to be like the next vitamin water monster down the road long term, short term, if it does hit $1, that's going to make a lot of people a lot of money, and I want to be a part of that. And so, yeah, Stan the Trading Man, he's been on the stock for the longest time, and he's been right about a lot. And see, look. He's obviously in on the inside, and they've been talking about goats all the time. So obviously, if it's not Tom Brady, it's a big dude. Regardless, if they always keep bringing up the goats. What else? Yeah, Takeover Joe was at the Grammys. And again, look, whatever you think of Tom Brady with, rituals, Super Bowl, occult knowledge and stuff, I get all that. Like, I understand, I work with, that type of content with my documentaries and stuff. But at the end of the day, people got to make money. So you got to dance with the matrix. And, I'll invest in hopefully a healthy hydrogen water company, even if Tom Brady is the face of it, even if, you don't personally like them. At the end of the day, I'm trying to, have financial freedom. But yeah, I mean, honestly, I don't even want to go too much into it more. Um, yeah, he's been talking about LTNC a whole lot. Do your own research. I've been in this stock for about three weeks now. Again, my share price is at 3 cents. I've bought above, below, it's a volatile stock, but I'm happy where I'm at right now. My price target again within 6 months, it's at least going to touch 25 cents, if not 50. And next year I do see $1. But again, some of the Gematria decodes I went over, um, some interesting connections. Again, Labor Smart 55, Super Bowl 55, the 55 connections with Brady. Thomas Brady equals 126. And then LTNC stock equals 126 in the ordinals. Hydrogen water and Tampa Bay equals 137 in the ordinals. Um, Again, the name's 139. Tampa Bay Buccaneers, and then Takeover Joe 62. Hydrogen water 62. We just saw the Buccaneers mask. Um, yeah, Takeover 34. The reverse of 34 is 43. Goat. Um, Takeover 47. Ryan Shadell 47. Takeover Joe 170. Tampa Bay Buccaneers 170. So yeah, okay. I'm gonna finish up this video. Y'all get the point. I had to get this video out because of that comment, and I felt like it was my duty to get this out because if it does hit, if somebody does make a couple extra bucks off it because they saw my video, hey, I did my job. Again, watch my GameStop video as I'm finishing this up. More information how you can support my channel, my Patreon. Again, if this does hit, support by checking out my Patreon. Support by doing my Venmo or PayPal on this video down below. Just support by watching my videos continuously if you like this. Financial freedom is the goal. And so if I come across stocks that have some, cool gematria codes that we could possibly benefit off of, we're going to do that. I invest in other stocks, and when I do start live streaming, which I'm going to do soon, we'll talk just stocks in general. It doesn't even have to be necessarily related to gematria per se, but we'll get into that later. If you like this video, if it's something that you would like to see more of, more just intimate, raw, less production value, just me face to face and talking, trying to make some money, just let me know and we'll do this some more because there's a lot of different ways to get money in this world. Like Cameron said, if you can't get money in a world this big, you worthless kid. Um, so let's listen to Cameron and let's get money any which way possible. So that's it. Data Productions, the System Swindlers, the System Swindlers, the Dream Schemers, Raw, uncut. Let's get this money. LTNC, Labor Smart. It was on a dip today. Make sure if you do your research and you like this stock, get in as early as possible. Okay. My share value again is at 3 cents. Again, I will post my share value within the video so you can see it. That I'm the real deal. I'm actually in it. But other than that, you guys have a good week. Let's get this money. And dreams are tangible aspirations.